And then all together. Whoa.
Oh, I'll get outside.
Got me. Just get that out of here.
Yes.
Where's my heart at?
Is it just me, or does this already look considerably better? Good morning. Micah. Micah, say good morning. Can you say good morning? Look. Is that you on there? Look at the camera. We need to get some stuff done today. Next Monday is the day that finally we are getting started on the kitchen. The contractor is coming and beginning to put in the 3 large windows, which will be the start. And then we can go from there on a lot of the other things. We've chosen to DIY more than we had originally thought, just to cut down the cost a little bit. So one of the things that we decided to take out of the original bid was the demo. So today is the start of demo day. I'm not going to say it's demo day because I know that it's going to take way more time than I'm thinking, because everything always does. So Luke added to the kids' playground. I was actually away for 2.5 days at a blogger conference. So while I was gone, Micah went to my mother-in-law's house. So Luke and the kids built a little cabin. Why don't you guys give us a tour of the playground and what changes we've made?
Okay, come on. We found a slide at a dumpster, so we got it for a playground.
That's nice that you guys were able to find that one roadside, but it's good for now, but I want something taller so you can come off of this platform.
This is our fort. Look, this is
Do you mean your fort?
This is our cabin. You can climb up really high up.
Uh-oh, can that kitty do that?
Yeah, cats can land on their feet. We found 2 swings.
I don't know if that's the best design, but it works for now, huh?
Yeah, but it's for Micah and Jude and me.
So, who built this cabin?
Dad did.
Where'd you get the wood?
Got it from Lowe's.
Low. I heard you guys had to take 4 trips.
What 4 trips? He got some hammers for me, and for Hannah, and for Dad.
Hey, Judo, that was a
big
different
one.
place. That was a different store.
Yeah, it was a different store, and we were talking about something else.
Dad bought every kid safety glasses and the hammer.
That's fun. For lunch today, I forgot to put out the meat, which is one of my #1 tips in how I plan for healthy meals without meal planning, or how I don't do meal planning but yet still have healthy meals. And sometimes I don't even follow my own rule, but like I said, I just got home from out of town. So I did not have any meat thawed from before that. And so one of the ways I usually get around that is by either putting a chicken in the Instant Pot, which works great, or doing some ground beef, because I just put the lid on and the heat just kind of, you know, thaws it out over time. It takes probably like 20 minutes to cook it that way, versus if it's thawed, it takes hardly any time at all. And also, because I was out of town, we're out of all the normal veggies I'd put in it. So I only did onions, mushrooms, spinach, and then I also added some fresh herbs from our garden. Then just bring in all of the sage, rosemary, and basil and thyme that you can, okay?
Seriously, don't really know.
Not quite. And get a lot more thyme. I want a lot more thyme. I will link in the description below that recipe. It is a staple. You can make it 25,000 different ways. You don't have to make it this way. It's whatever meat, whatever veggies you have on hand, and then of course the sourdough starter and a few other things. So it's really easy. It's a good staple whenever days like this, when you didn't consider lunch even a tiny bit. And our fridge is looking so bare, it is ridiculous.
There's a place.
Is it a front porch? Is it a place for sitting?
Girls sit up on
I think we should just start with the upper cabinets so that we have places to put everything here. I mean, that would take us more than a day, and I have to empty it all out.
I don't know where it's all going to go anyway. There's so much.
Yeah, we'll have our work cut out for us there. I guess I'll start clearing these out. You know, if we took out that right there, and this
printer?
upper, yes,
Just
this
the-
whole area,
The desk area.
and got the fridge back there, we could put that hutch over there, and put all of our dishes in that hutch.
Oh, that would be.
Try and trip Micah,
Yeah. Alright, boy.
you know?
Yeah.
Then we'd have a lot more storage space. Or if you think that sounds like not in the plan for today, we could just put dishes in that other hutch we have out there by the stairs.
The backsplash
Yeah.
is going to have to come out for the fridge to fit, isn't it? Or is that.
Oh, and I
It's in the
forgot.
fridge.
And I forgot that he's working on this whole wall. Like he's gonna be re-insulating it, re-drywalling it.
Yeah.
So we can't put anything over there. I'll just put all the dishes out in that hutch up there. We can move my desk to one side and position that hutch so it's usable. Well, no, we would have to move twice because it's not going there. It's going there when it can. It's on these little caster things, so I think I can just. Now this, of course, is not on those things, but
And it's not as heavy as it looks, but it's not as light as it looks.
that made no sense whatsoever.
Because it was awkward. And I'm going to have to come out.
Are you trapped?
Yeah, you can come back.
And this will be a good place to keep everything. Purdy. And then all whoa.
I'll get outside.
Got me. Did you get that video?
Yes.
Where's that right now?
Fine. I'll go outside.
Okay. So no need, because you got it. Everything just felt so heavy in here. So I can't wait to see huge windows there, beadboard, little open shelving, new light, of course. It's gonna be good. And this is where I emptied a lot of the stuff from the upper cabinets between here and the pantry, and then the bottom of here. It's pretty much what I did.
I realized when the lightning struck. This
Oh my
morning,
gosh.
it like knocked me out of bed. It was so loud. But yeah, it was that. I don't know how it V'd out like that though. It's so weird.
Oh my god.
Like it hit 2 spots, and then I saw this bark on the ground. Like what the heck?
Ah, that's definitely it. So we saw a giant, well, we heard a really loud noise and saw a flash, and we knew something got struck, but we couldn't figure it out. So is that going to ruin this tree or not?
Eventually, probably, yeah.
Oh, this is like our main shade tree. There's just pieces of bark everywhere. Yeah, there, I see one right over here. We knew something had to get struck because that was ridiculously loud. If I can show how huge this tree is. There's no way I could estimate how tall it is. It's probably double the size of our house. And it's our best shade tree. And Luke and I just saw the flash, but we, we're half asleep. All right, well, we got a good start on the demo. We will be, over the course of the next week, doing all of the lower cabinets, which will mean that we're gonna displace the oven and the sink. So we're gonna put that off as long as possible because I don't even know. Are we gonna go ahead and wash all the dishes in the bathtub? Are we gonna plug the stove in somewhere else? That's not the part I'm looking forward to, so we are definitely putting that off. But I already love how much more open everything looks. The wood was just weighing everything down like crazy. And so we're already both excited about moving forward. Well, Luke and I are gonna go on a date night tonight. My sister is on her way here to watch the kids, and gonna be a nice ending to a busy day. All right, well, thank you so much for following along with our day, and to follow along with more of our farmhouse restoration and see all the upcoming videos on the kitchen progress, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.